Confidence is fragile, often eroded by habits we don't even realize we have. The first destructive habit is constant self-doubt, that quiet voice inside questioning your worth before anyone else does. It undermines your foundation before you even begin. Recognizing this voice is the first step toward silencing it. The second habit is seeking external validation. When you rely on others' opinions for your self-worth, you give away your power. Stoics teach us to build confidence from within, rooted in our own values, not in fleeting applause. This shift takes deliberate practice. Third, comparing yourself to others destroys confidence by fostering envy and inadequacy. In a world full of highlight reels, it's easy to forget everyone has struggles behind the scenes. Instead, focus on your own progress and growth. Fourth, avoiding failure breeds fear and stagnation. True confidence comes not from never falling, but from rising every time you do. The Stoic embraces failure as a teacher and stepping stone, not a verdict on their worth. Fifth, negative self-talk shapes your reality. The stories you tell yourself can either imprison you or empower you. Cultivating mindful awareness allows you to catch and rewrite these harmful narratives. Sixth, lack of preparation leads to insecurity. Confidence grows when you master your craft, deepen your knowledge, and prepare to face challenges head-on. This practical effort anchors your self-belief. Seventh, fear of judgment shackles many. The Stoics remind us that other people's opinions are beyond our control and ultimately insignificant. Real confidence flourishes when you accept this freedom fully. How to fix these habits? Begin with self-awareness. Track when doubt, comparison, or fear creep in. Journal your thoughts and confront them honestly. Next, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself as you would a close friend, kindly, patiently, and without harsh judgment. This nurtures resilience. Finally, commit to action. Confidence is built through doing. Step forward despite fear. Each success, no matter how small, strengthens your foundation.